Amidst a land spanning over 12,000 square miles, the Serengeti unfolds like an endless world. In the distance, vast plains stretch out, evoking a quiet serenity. But in an instant, the landscape springs to life. Millions of wildebeests, zebras, and smaller antelope like the Thompson's gazelle begin their arduous journey, crossing the Mara River and braving the raw wilderness filled with challenges. Each stride of the herd spotted hyenas. Natural battles ignite with each migration. Together, they create a dynamic tapestry, both graceful and intense, capturing the grandeur of one of Africa's 7 natural wonders. Stretching across